In this video, I will guide you on how retrieve deleted text messages on your iPhone by using an iCloud backup. If your iPhone is set to backup to iCloud, you may be able to recover deleted text messages with the recent backup. It will restore the previous settings on your iPhone back to the settings at the time you created that backup. Remember, while the restoration of an iCloud backup could assist you in recovering your text messages, you might also lose other data during it. Follow these steps to see deleted messages on iPhone.